Kitchens are the hub of most households, and a renovated kitchen can add significant value to your home.
Many struggle with where to start and the potential cost outlay, as doing a new kitchen can cost thousands. But there's so many good kitchens out there that simply need a cosmetic makeover or a refresh.
So knowing where to spend and where to save can potentially save you thousands and ensure you're not spending money where it's not needed. This kitchen is the perfect example, and we've seen plenty just like this.
You can literally spend thousands in the kitchen. We could literally pull all this out and start again, but we're quite fortunate we've got good bones, good door fronts, so what we're going to do is give it a cosmetic facelift.
We're going to paint these door fronts a beautiful colour, replace the appliances and the fittings, and then focus our budget on new bench tops. So where do you start when updating your bench tops? The first step is to lock in your bench top material. And to do this, you really want to work out what the overall look and feel is for your kitchen. Collecting samples, paint swatches and inspo pics is a great way to work out the look that's right for you. You can also head into the Edstein showroom to look at samples and view the whole range. Step 2 is to work out your kitchen benchtop thickness and the profile. Again, looking at other kitchens and benchtops is a great way to work out the look that works for you. Step 3 is to supply a rough drawing of your benchtop with measurements for Edstein to quote. Once you've confirmed your order, Edstein will complete an electronic site measure. And if you are getting a new sink or cooktop, you'll need them there to measure too. Now it's time to get stuck into the kitchen.
Get rid of that.
It's really important when you're painting timber polyurethane doors that you're prepping correctly. So the first step would be to get some sugar soap and thoroughly clean the door of any excess grease or grime. Next, grab your sanding block and give it a thorough sand, and then make sure you're dusting it off before you go to paint.
When you're upgrading your bench tops, there's a couple of key points you should know. Firstly, you want your cabinetry to be nice and level. We don't want any bumps or low spots. Literally use a spirit level and check all your cabinetry and adjust it to suit. Another thing to watch out for is the cutouts where the sink might have been. So as you can see, this rail here, it's a bit flimsy and it's not really going to support our stone. So we're going to put in this vertical rail. We've done a little check out in our shelf. We'll screw it in place, but that's nice and firm now, and that will support our stone top.
It's benchtop installation day today, and we've got the boys from Edstein Stone here installing our Silestone Blanco maple tops. Now this is where we've chosen to spend most of the budget in this kitchen, and already it's made such a difference.
Another way to jazz up your existing cabinetry is simply by replacing the door handles. Something like this, gets screwed straight onto there, perfect.
No kitchen renovation is complete without a touch of styling. I love using recipe books, handmade ceramics, and those one-off vintage items for a touch of character. Paint has given new life to the cabinetry, but by far the biggest transformation has been the new bench tops.
We chose to spend the majority of our budget on the hero of the kitchen, our beautiful 40mm bench tops, supplied and installed by Edstein Creative.
All up, including bench tops, trade work, fittings and appliances, we spent just under $10,000.
How's that for a kitchen renovation on a budget?
A great transformation whilst adding value along the way.